This is Gun Show 2.0. Amongst all the panic out there, had one of the best days ever at the gun show. WMD, Nickel Boron, Bolt Carrier Group, $20. 2 boxes of some Scorpion, 124 grain, full metal jackets, $20. Support your Vietnam vets, people. Couple raffle tickets, $8 total. This is some of the best beef jerky I've ever ate. That's their website. $27. Those little Girl Scouts that don't leave you alone, run around the gun show, $5. Because I was hungry. And they're persistent. Hungarian, high power clone, good old FEG, flawless, beautiful condition, excellent bluing, amazing trigger pull. The only bad part, it comes with one of these. 10 round Commie Mag. This was probably the best looking, best deal on a pistol at the gun show. Nice, flawless finish. 300 cash out the door. I don't have a 9mm in my arsenal. Now I do. You won't be seeing no tourist bullshit on my channel. I wanted a real 9mm. This will do. Well under $400 out the door. This was the craziest deal. Cheapest I found these online were $150. $20. Deliciousness. I'm a 40 guy. I've wanted one of these FEG high powers for years. I always check out the Mosin crate when he gets them in stock. I just never wanted to pay $450, $500 for one. Besides fingerprints and some oil here or there, one of the best conditioned ones I've ever seen. Just shiny. Y'all take care. Don't let the government and the media brainwash you on this COVID-19 or whatever they want to call it. That's not what really is going on. I'm going to try to get some more information. But it's basically like a SARS 2.0. More infectious, more easily spread. I went to the gun show, no worries. Practice proper hand washing. about it. Support all your rights, people. This is my first Saturday off in a while, so I'm going to try to catch up on all your videos. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Always carry something.